Hey guys, in this video we are gonna take a look at one of my favorite lenses of all time. And when I say favorite lenses of all time, I mean obtainable lenses. I'm not talking about lenses that cost tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars. This lens is super duper affordable. I believe it's like $100 bucks or something if you get a good copy on eBay. So hopefully this lens is going to be in this box. I bought this for myself for Christmas and haven't had time to open it because I really wanted to put it on the camera, go out and shoot and all that fun stuff. But yeah, time flies, fruit flies like bananas. So we are going to open this box and hopefully there's going to be a lens in here instead of like half a brick or something, or a third of a brick. It's not too heavy. You never know when you buy stuff off the old internet. So let's see if we can grab a knife and start cutting away here. And I don't have a plan. I usually don't do unboxing videos for a good reason, because I'm a man and I can't multitask. Maybe I should have saved this thing. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just get in here and see if it's actually a lens in this box. This turns out to be more... let's just go raccoon style on this here. Oh, look at this. Japanese newspapers. That's cool. But here it is, hopefully. I mean, it looks like a lens. And yeah. Do you guys watch a lot of unboxing videos? I'm not sure that I'm super into unboxing videos, but figured, no, let's give it a try. Oh, look at this mess here. Get this paper off here, and just want to make sure that I get the second angle right here as well. Okay, the moment of trout. So far, so good. Oh, okay. Let's remove the lens cover here and see if it's the. Yep. You see now I don't do unboxing videos, but okay. This here is, first of all, it's the right lens. It's the SMC Pentax 50mm f1.4. A 1.4 vintage lens. I believe this one was produced somewhere between 1977 and 82, 83, 84-ish. So it's at least, I don't know, 10 years old or so. Maybe even 30 or 40 or something. And this looks like it's in great condition. Tiny bit of dust there from some cloth or something, but no scratches what I can see. Let's see if the aperture, oh yeah, the aperture is super smooth and super nice. Why can't I get this right? No? Okay. The great thing about these Pentax lenses is that they have this kind of amazing vintagey cinematic quality to them. They all have this kind of round bokeh, and sometimes, especially on the sides of the image, you get like lemon-shaped oval bokeh, which kind of reminds me of anamorphic lenses, especially like vintage anamorphic lenses. So this is looking really, really good. But even if there's no scratches on this lens as of yet, there might be a couple of them very soon. I hope not, but I'm afraid we have to do some modifications to this lens. The problem, you see, with Pentax glass, like this, here we go again, no sense of direction. On this side here, there's a little weird thing that sticks out. There's a little plastic thing, and there's also like a little metal lever that controls the aperture blades. If you want to use this with something like a speed booster or a full frame DSLR camera, that little metal flap is gonna hit the mirror when you shoot, or hit the internal optics on a speed booster. So what I'm about to do now is a bit scary. I'm gonna do my best with a pair of pliers to just snip off the little plastic thing here first, and then we're gonna work on this little metal piece. I'm just gonna be crazy overexposed here for a second. Maybe we can. Okay. Oh, even cozier than before. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna use brute force and a pair of these pliers, and see what happens if we just grab onto this little plastic thing here and just squeeze. Okay, so far so good. And yeah, okay. Doesn't look pretty at the moment, but let's go in from the other side here. Just do the exact same. Okay, there we go. So we have removed the plastic part. I'm not sure that I'm gonna be able to just hold it up to the camera in view like this and still being able to cut through this metal here. So I think we will have to do like a two-hand attempt like this, and that didn't get us anywhere. I'm also worried about slipping and accidentally put the pliers towards the glass here on the back. So far so good. Scary. So maybe we'll have to do some cuts here, because this, oh, there we go. So that's what we oh, come on, Canon. And this is what we're left with. A quick little update here. After I turned everything off, the cameras and everything, I decided to go back and just give it one more try to see if I could get like a cleaner cut. So I just took the pliers once more, and then I just grabbed onto the little metal lever, and then I just started working back and forth like this until it just came out like this. So here we got it. There's two little holes in the bottom of it, and that's the way it looks. So the aperture blades, since this thing is connected to the aperture blades, I was a bit worried that we wouldn't be able to control the aperture with the aperture ring, but as you can see, it works just like it should. So I'm super happy, I'm super stoked, and I guess that's gonna be the end of this unboxing video. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully with some great looking footage done with this lens. So until then, adios.